Now it's time to personalize our site and align it with our brand. Your brand stands out through elements like your logo, colors, fonts and typography, design style, messaging, unique imagery, and more. In the next few lessons, I'm going to show you how we can modify this template by swapping out the logo, adding your brand colors, changing the images, and more. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is apply our color palette to the site to ensure it aligns with our brand identity. Make sure you have your brand colors ready, as we'll be applying them in this step. Now let's open up the project panel over on the left sidebar. If we click on the Design tab, we'll find the project colors. These are all the colors currently being used across the entire website. We'll need to change these to match our brand colors. Let's go ahead and remove all the colors except the primary color here. To do that, we'll hover over the color we want to remove and click Remove. Then select Remove Project Color and confirm that by clicking Yes, Remove Color. Let's do that with the rest of the colors, keeping only the primary color. Okay, similar to the color palette I'm using for this website, your color palette should include one primary color and some secondary colors. Let's change the primary color to match our brand. To change the primary color, simply hover over the color and click Edit. If you already know the RGB, CMYK, or hex code of your color, you can simply input that right here. But I'm going to be using the eyedropper tool to import my colors. To do that, I'll have both the Pagecloud window and my color swatches open side by side. Then I can simply select the eyedropper tool, which allows me to pick and apply the exact colors for my swatches. Allow me to demonstrate. I'm going to set up my window to have Pagecloud on the left and Photoshop on the right. There we go. Now I can use the eyedropper tool to select any color on my screen. Okay, now let's add the secondary colors. To do that, I'll click Add New Color. I'll use the eyedropper tool to select the secondary color. I will give that color a name. And I'll click Add Project Color. I've got a few more colors here, and we can just continue to add the colors using the eyedropper tool. And we're done. Now we have a fully customized color scheme that applies perfectly with our brand, which we can use across our entire site for a consistent look and feel. Don't forget to save your work by clicking Save at the top here.